Good freight gang, what's good? We back with another one. Today is an off day, but as you know, as the owner operator, there's never an off day. I got some work to do on my trailer today, so I figured I'd take y'all along with me and to show y'all, man, that the real life of being an owner operator. Stay tuned. All right, so we leaving Great Dane. We got what we need. You can see it in the back. It's actually that siding that goes on the inside of the trailer, so gotta patch that up. One more stop to Home Depot to get some silicone and a caulking gun, and we can start this job. Bam. Need us one of these. So, made our stop, got everything we needed. I'm in the back of the trailer right now. I actually had to cool this thing off, man. It was too hot. So let me show y'all what we're working with, man. This is it right here. I don't know what the loader was doing when he loaded the trailer, but yeah, you can see that. So that's what we gotta fix today. Have I ever done anything like that? I ain't never fixed nothing like this. But you know what? I feel like it's self-explanatory, and if I can save a buck, I'm gonna do it. I mean, it's the name of the game, right? So let's get at it. So pretty much got the board pinned up the way I want it. Again, I ain't no professional. I'm just trying to save some bread. Again, it's rough out here. This is what when I keep telling people this is a lifestyle, it's a lifestyle. All right, I could be at home chilling, watching TV or whatever, working out in the gym, but look, stuff gotta get done. And this is what I mean when people who's in the industry who don't have a passion for this, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, look, let's see what I got. This is how the board looks. Got the hole covered up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some silicone on the backside and start pinning it down. It is what it is, man. We gotta get out here and do this stuff. If not, we paying out the pocket and we can't do that right now. So it is what it is. Come on, man, we're almost done. All right, so check it out. That's what it looks like pretty much. Got the board covering it up, the hole. Damn, it don't look too bad actually. I'm gonna take some of that silicone and run it around the edges just to seal it up so no moisture gets behind there. What I'm using is actually these right here. I don't know what you want to call them, taps or whatever, but you pretty much drill a hole, put them in, you hit that in, you knock that in with a hammer and it opens it up to pretty much lock them in place. But that, a little bit of silicone from Home Depot, a little drill bit, and a hammer. That's pretty much it. Don't look too bad. Like I said, I'm gonna throw some silicone around the edges just to seal it up. And I got another small hole I want to get to. And that's it. All right, so pretty much done. Had to let my partner give me a quick rinse out, trailer wash out. You know, try to keep it clean. I haul frozen, a lot of seafood, so stuff falls off them pallets and it be stank, but it's all good. But let me just show y'all what we did, or what I did. See, try to zoom out a little bit. Sit right there. How to fix that one. Right there. Then I had another one right there. So again, wasn't too bad. Looks a whole lot better. And I'm done. You know, don't be scared, man. Like, you're an owner operator. Don't be scared to try things yourself. I've never done this before. Yeah, it might not look like no professional. It don't look bad, but got the job done. Saved a couple $100 between parts, which was the board, the rivets, and some silicone. I think it was maybe like 150 bucks. So just imagine if I would've went to a trailer shop, they probably charged $100 and something an hour, when they probably would have charged me at least 4 or 5 hours for something like this. So again, man, don't be scared to do it yourself. I mean, if you make a mistake, you make a mistake, just fix it. It's part of being an owner operator. And I'm gonna keep telling y'all this in my videos. It's not a job, it's a lifestyle. So remember that. But like that, I'm done, y'all. I got some more stuff to do today, so about to get up out of this hot ass trailer. It's gotta be like 90 something degrees in here. I done let it run for a little bit, but you know, I ain't gonna let it run forever with them doors open, so shut it off. But thanks for watching. Hope y'all can learn something, or might wanna encourage people to work on their own stuff. Got any questions, just let me know. Holler at me, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Thanks a lot, y'all, for watching.